Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. So yes, I am unboxing this month's secret scent box. If you're not sure what that is, it is a fragrance subscription box. Every month you get to try 3 new designer fragrances. It's a really great way to try out new fragrances without buying the whole bottle. In each month there is enough supply for 30 days, so you get to try 3 different fragrances for 3 days and decide if you like them. I have actually personally gone on to buy a fragrance that I found in these boxes, so it's a really nice way to find, like I said, the new scent without splashing out, because I do like to wear them a little bit before I can decide if I like them or not, so I think it's perfect. Now, there are 3 different ways to subscribe to Secret Scent Box. You can subscribe for a month at a time, which costs you £15, or you can do a 6-month subscription, which will cost £14 per month, or a 12-month subscription, which will cost you just £13 per month, which, like I said, it's great, really. £13 per month for your fragrances for the entire year. Amazing. Anyway, without further ado, the secret scent box itself comes in a lovely package which is letterbox friendly, which I find is really important because it means you don't have to worry about being in to answer the door if you're going to be at work, or you know, just whatever, you might not want to answer the door. We know what life's like these days. And then inside we get our secret scent box itself, which is always this lovely black box that says secret scents. This is the for her box, but they do a for him box if you want to check that out. And inside we get a little card that tells us it is the March edition. It's a very pretty kind of starry sky. And then inside we get a card with a little bit of information about if you send them a review, you might win an Amazon gift card. Real. And then we get some little information cards about the fragrances themselves, and then the actual fragrances. So what I'm going to do, and what I do every time I do these unboxings, is I give I will read the card out and then I'll give a little spritz of the fragrance and let you know my thoughts. And there's a couple in these boxes I've found before that are a little bit like, they're not for me, but on wearing I've actually really enjoyed, and a couple that I thought really nice and gone on to really like them. So excellent. Okay, so the first fragrance in this month's box is from Cartier, and it is their Carrot fragrance. It says Carrot, the new luminous fragrance of a flowering rainbow. It brings together the 7 colours in a single clear and pure white scent. It has top notes of pear, green notes, bergamot, and the middle notes of lily, violet, tulip, hyacinth, and honeysuckle, with base notes of mimosa and white musk. Okay, I don't know how it brings the 7 colours together, but hey, let's give it a little spritz. Ooh, it's a very fresh and floral scent. I think that's quite a good like spring scent. The next fragrance in this box then we have from Michael Kors, and it is a Mystique Shimmer. It says a brand new extravagant woody amber fragrance from Michael Kors that evokes the glamour of a lavish masquerade party. Okay, so it has top notes of black pepper and bergamot. It has middle notes of saffron and also floral notes, and base notes of woody notes, musk and amber. Black pepper, I do tend to like fragrances that have black pepper in them, so let's see what this is like. Ooh, dropping it. Okay. Completely different to the first one. Completely different. It's not as feminine. You know, it's still feminine, but it's not like as pretty feminine. It's more of a, I don't know the word I'm trying to search for here, but it's nice. Our final fragrance then is from Ted Baker, and it is the X20 for women. It says a floral fruity fragrance developed by perfumer Sophie Lab for Ted Baker. It is a glamorous scent that is sure to turn heads. Now it has top notes of grapefruit and star anise, with middle notes of mirabelle plum, magnolia and water lily, with base notes of musk and precious woods. So let's give this one a little try. Squirting it the entire wrong way. Again, a nice one. This one again, quite fresh. It's almost citrusy. I suppose the grapefruit. I was thinking it didn't have any citrus fruit, but it'll be the grapefruit. Yes, no, it's really nice. And again, another fresh kind of spring type of fragrance. So yeah, I'm going to look forward to trying these three actually, because none of them felt like wouldn't be something I'd enjoy. All different. I feel like the middle one, the Michael Kors, might be more of like a nighttime one, whereas the others are like perfect for spring days and stuff like that. So really nice little box. So thank you, Secret Scents, for sending that over. So drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this box. Are you a subscriber? Does this make you want to subscribe? What do you think of a fragrance subscription box? Is it something you've done before? Let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do unboxings all the time, various hauls, different bits and bobs. I've got my birthday coming up soon, so there's no doubt going to be some videos about that. And until the next time, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.